Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn EVS. Lesson number 13, Creep and Crawl. In this lesson we are going to learn about insects around us, the places where insects live, useful insects and harmful insects, how spiders catch and eat insects. So let's start with our lesson. Rajat found a small green creeping animal on a leaf in the garden. What did Rajat found? Rajat found a small green creeping animal on a leaf. See over there, a picture it is given. One insect is there on a leaf. Rajat found that and he wanted to know more about that animal. He wants to know about that animal. Do you know its name? Do you know, students, what is that animal's name? Yes, do you know anything about it? Okay, so let's see about this animal. So the students, the small creeping animal Rajat found in his garden is a caterpillar. What? Caterpillar. The animal which Rajat found in his garden was caterpillar. It has many legs. The caterpillar has many legs. So students, we see many such small animals around us. Do you know their names? Yes, we are seeing many such animals, small animals around us. So, do you know their names? Let's see some examples. So students, see, this is a ant. Which picture is this? This is a ant. This insect is called a housefly. This is a housefly. This is a cockroach. This is a cockroach. This is a butterfly. This is butterfly. This is a grasshopper. What is this? This is a grasshopper. And this is a mosquito. This is a mosquito. So students, just now we have seen the pictures of the animal. These small animals are called insects. They creep and crawl. These animals creep and crawl. They have 6 legs. These small animals, these insects are having 6 legs. Some insects have wings and can fly. Some insects are having wings and they can fly. For example, butterfly, bee, mosquito and so on. These are the insects which can fly. Butterfly, bee, mosquito. Ants and termites are example of insects which cannot fly. Ants and termites are the examples of the insects which cannot fly. So students, see the picture. It is butterfly and mosquito and they are having wings so that they can fly. So students, see the picture. This is ant and termites and it doesn't have wings, so it cannot fly. Many insects have different stages in their life. So students, many insects are having different stages in their lives. When they hatch from the egg, they look different. They change their shape and size many times before they become fully grown. They are changing their shapes and size many times before they are becoming fully grown. So students, let's see some more about insects, their life cycles and so on. Let's learn about life cycle of a butterfly. See the picture. It is first in the egg stage. Then it moves in the form of caterpillar. Then it's become a pupa. Later it changes to an adult butterfly. So first it is in a egg stage. Then it moves to the caterpillar. then it moves to the pupa, and then it moves to the adult butterfly. So students, let's see some another example. Life cycle of a person. First it is a baby, then little kid, then big kid, and then grown up. So same it is like a life cycle of a butterfly. So first baby butterfly means egg. Then little butterfly means caterpillar. Then big butterfly means pupa, and then it turns to the adult butterfly. Students, where do insects live? Do you know where do it live? Let's see, where do the insects live? Students, insects like ant lives in the soil. Insects like ants live in the soil. Insects such as honeybees and butterflies are found on plants. Cockroaches are found inside houses. We can find them in cracks of walls, wastewater pipes, and so on. During the day, they hide in dark corners of the houses. They come out at night. Insects like ants and bees live in the colonies. Colonies are a group of insects living together. The group of insects which are living together are called colonies, and ant and bee are the insect which are living together in a colonies. Students, see the picture. Have you ever seen these ant hills? This is a ant hill, and these are the colonies of the ants. And students, have you ever seen a beehive? Yes, this is a beehives, and these are the colonies of honey bees. These are the colonies of honey bees. We can find different types of ants in and around our houses. Certain kinds of ants make their colonies on trees. See the picture, students. Some ants had made their colonies on the tree. Students, do you know that why do some insects hide themselves? They hide to protect themselves from their enemies. Some of the insects that we see in our surroundings are useful to us. Yes, some of the insects that we see in our surrounding, it is useful to us. Now, how it is useful? Let's see. Honeybees store honey in their hives. We take this honey and use it in our food and in the preparation of medicines. Beehives are made up of beeswax. We use this wax in medicines. Beeswax is also used to make candles. See the picture. These are the candles made from the beeswax. Some insects like flies, mosquitoes, and bedbugs are harmful to us. They carry germs. When they bite us, these germs enter in our body and make us sick. Insects like cockroaches and ants eat the stored food items. They can also damage our clothes. So students, see the picture over here. Cockroach eating a bread. Ants taking stored grains. Cloth eaten by ants. So the students, insects like cockroaches and ants eat the stored food items. They can also damage the clothes. As some insects are harmful to us, same some insects are harmful to the plants we grow. Some insects are harmful to the plants we grow. They eat their leaves and fruits. They are eating their leaves and fruits. Students, do you know that honeybees and butterflies help the flowers to grow into fruits? Yes, honeybees and butterfly help the flower to grow into fruits. Students, have you seen spiders in or around your houses? Yes. Are they insects? Yes, tell me, they are insects? No, they are not insects. They are having 8 legs. Spiders catches and eat many insects using their webs. You may have seen a spider web in or around your house. It may be still in use by a spider, or it may be an old and dusty one, and it is called a cobweb. It means that you must have been seen a spider web in your house. So it may be still in use of that spider, or it may be a old one or dusty one. So that spider web, what we called a cobweb. Students, do you know that spiders spin webs to catch small insects like flies? Yes, they can spin the webs to catch the small insects like flies. The thread of the webs are sticky. So the insect gets stuck on the web. So the insects are getting stuck on that web, and spider can eat those insects easily. So the spider can eat those insects easily. Spiders build their webs between trees or in corners of a room. Yes, spiders are building their webs between the trees or in the corner of the rooms. So students, what we have learned in this lesson? We have learned about many different animals, means insect, for example, ant, housefly, cockroach, butterfly, grasshopper, mosquito, and so on. We have also learned about the life cycle of a butterfly. We have learned about where the insects live. We have learned about colonies, ant hills, and beehives. We have also learned about useful things we get from the insects. For example, we get honey from the honeybee, and we also get candles from the beeswax. We have also learned about some harmful insects like mosquito. Mosquito is harmful to us because if it bites us, we may fall sick. We have learned about how the insects like cockroaches and ants eat stored food items. They also damage our clothes. We have learned about spider also. So students, hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.